Right, I'm up on the allotment. I've just seen something funny. There's like a spray across here. See something white? It's a bloody cat on a roof. Is he still there? Or have I lost him? Right, go on. Where is he? Gone too far. Oh, Jesus. I'm not going to see him now. Right. He's over here. Is that him there? Look, there's a cat on a roof, on a chimney pot. Got white wood. And all the birds are dive bombing him. It's only a kitten because I've seen it about. Look, he's watching him. That cat gets everywhere. He's on the allotment. He's in running around the school grounds. The seagulls are dive bombing him at the minute. Because the seagulls nest on the roofs around here. Must see everybody's annoying. So we're not allowed to touch them because seagulls are protected. He's getting dive bombed by the crows and the seagulls. Look. I suppose one gets close enough they'll try and grab it. No, they're not flying around a minute, but the crows are all sitting all around because they're all worried. Oh, they got nests about. Look, there's crows here. A couple of, are they the hooted ones? The jackdaws. So that's it. Saturday morning, up at the allotment. Cool. Right. So I've got a project, but I don't want to show you it because I haven't finished it yet. I'll give you a wee glimpse. No, I won't. So, next time maybe. I've got it near done. Laters.